Good morning students. Today in this class we discuss about the general characteristics of Cyanophyceae. General characteristics of Cyanophyceae. Then coming to the general characteristics of Cyanophyceae. Here Cyanophyceae is also known as blue-green algae. Cyanophyceae is also known as blue-green algae. Green algae, blue-green algae. Then coming to the first of all, some introduction about the Cyanophyceae. Here the genus Cyanophyceae is represented about 198 genera, 198 genera and 1500 species. 1500 species are recorded. 1500 species are recorded in worldwide. In worldwide, there are about 198 genera and 1500 species were recorded in the worldwide. In India, there are about 98 genera and 833 species. 833 species are recorded. Next, blue-green algae is also known as blue-green algae. Blue-green algae is also known as blue-green algae is also known as cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. This is about some little bit introduction of the Cyanophyceae. Then coming to the general characters. What are the general characters present in the member of Cyanophyceae? The first character is they are unicellular. They are unicellular. The best example of the unicellular is Crococcales. Crococcales. The best example of the unicellular plant body is Crococcales. Next, some of them are colonial forms. Colonial form. The best example of the colonial form is Gliocephala. Next, some of them are filamentous. Form. The best example of the filamentous form is nostoc, anabina, and cytonema. Next, in colonial forms, each and every filament is surrounded by a worn gelatinous sheath. Each and every filament. In colonial forms, each and every filament is surrounded by a own gelatinous matrix or gelatinous sheath. Next, second one is the cell structure is prokaryote. The cell structure is prokaryotic. You know very well the prokaryotic means here the true nucleus is absent, only the incipient nucleus will be present. The cell structure is prokaryotic. Or prokaryotic means the lack of membrane bound organelles. The lack of membrane bound organelles. Membrane bound organelles means Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum. These are the membrane bound cell organelles. Next point is, third point is, the cell wall is composed of microfibrils. The cell wall is composed of microfibrils. Microfibrils held together in a mucilage. Mucilaginous sheath. Next, here the cell wall is made up of 4 wall layers. The cell wall is made up of 4 wall layers. The cell wall is made up of 4 wall layers. Next, the cell wall contains mucopeptide, amino acids, mucopeptides, amino acids, carbohydrates and fatty acids. carbohydrates and fatty acids. Next, coming to the next here synopsis means presence of a principal pigment or predominant pigment. Presence of principal pigment. Presence of principal pigment or predominant pigment. Predominant pigment that is called C-picocyanin. 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 These are the principal pigment present in the Cyanophycean members, and also altogether chlorophyllae, beta carotene, and and C-picoerythrin. C-picoerythrin. These are the principal pigments present in the Cyanophycean members. These are the principal pigment present in the Cyanophycean members. Next, sixth character is here they show a gliding or jerking movement. They show a gliding or jerking movement. Because the absence of flagella. Next, the Cyanophycean members which contains presence of the reserved food material in Cyanophycean starch. Cyanophycean starch and also granules in proteins. Cyanophycean granules in proteins. Write down first. Next point is in some green algae the presence of a specialized cells called acanates and also heterocysts. Here presence of some specialized cells that is called acanates and heterocysts. Here the function of the heterocyst is not known. But the some little bit of the function of the heterocyst is it fixes the nitrogen. Or fixation of nitrogen. Next point is reproduction takes place by the formation of reproduction takes place by vegetative as well as reproduction takes place vegetatively and asexually here the sexual reproduction is absent. Sexual reproduction is completely absent. Only vegetative reproduction and asexual reproduction will takes place. Then coming to the reproduction. Vegetative reproduction takes place by the formation of cell division, by fragmentation, cell division, fragmentation and acanates. These are the vegetative reproduction takes place by the Cyanophycean members. Next coming to the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by the formation of spores. Those spores are endospore formation, harmogonia, endospore formation and harmogonia. These are the asexual reproducing organs. Okay, this much about the general characteristics of Cyanophycean